Showers and rumbles of thunder arrive on Friday. Good Halloween night. It's a spooky night. Good Halloween night, East Tennessee. David Aldridge, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, we hit 81 degrees today. Amazing. That put us within 3 degrees of the record high set back in the year 1950. 84, 1950 is still intact. That won't change, but we were within 3 degrees. It is interesting to note. Started the morning off at 56, which was 13 degrees above normal. Not everybody got to 81, but there were a few. Morristown, Newport hit 84 today in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, while it was 73 in Kingston, 77 in Crossville, just to give you some comparison. Now, we are expecting showers to come in very late tonight, but this line of showers and storms will likely diminish or at least weaken as the front is beginning to stall. So I think trick-or-treaters will in fact be fine. But it will be spooky simply because kids are coming to the door. In fact, I'm in charge of the candy tonight, the distribution, so that's probably dangerous for my waistline, but it is what it is, and that's why this video is coming out a little bit sooner than it typically would. But happy Halloween to all of you. Hope you enjoy the time and make sure you drive safely if you are in fact on the roads this Halloween night. The Ultimate Doppler radar not showing any rain at this time, but your local Marco's Pizza shows the review. We had a wind advisory in Brown for the Smokies that expired at 10 o'clock this morning. It was initially expected to expire at 8 a.m., but they kept it until 10 a.m. this morning. By the way, if you're looking for a late night snack besides the candy, check out marcos.com. They do deliver. You can check them out in Hardin Valley and Farragut, Maryville, Fountain City. They're located in Halls and Oak Ridge, Middlebrook Pike, and Ebenezer Road. Delicious, magnificent pizza. You can grab the Magnifico for less than $10, and they have a thing called the Pozzoli. It is delicious. You can check it out. The pepperoni, the buffalo chicken, chicken bacon ranch. But my favorite personally is the pepperoni and sausage pictured at the top there for less than $6. It's a real deal. Now you can see as of about 5:30, most of the rain is in Middle Tennessee. And if you zoom in a little bit tighter, it looks like it's on the doorstep of Cookeville, but it is moving from southwest and then inching or creeping along. You like that word creeping. It's Halloween. It's purposeful, but it's creeping to the east. And it may very well brush Fentress County before 10 or 11 o'clock tonight, the way things are trending. But that's something we'll be watching closely. It's not, I repeat, not going to affect Knoxville until likely well after midnight. It is snowing. Oh, yes, it's not snowing. It is. I could see it. It's snowing between Minneapolis and Duluth and up into parts of Wisconsin. 'Tis the season for some snow for our northern neighbors, it would appear. And you can see more thunderstorms extending all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, where they will have to keep an eye on the tropics. Yes, he said the tropics will come back to life very soon. I will suspect and show you some of the outlooks from the Hurricane Center here in a moment. Headline: showers arrive very late tonight, well after trick-or-treaters are done. Showers and rumbles on Friday, a 60% chance of rain if you're west of I-75, and a 40% chance if you're east of I-75. Drizzle possible this weekend on both Saturday and Sunday, but I do not expect drizzle to be an issue during the ball game because it's likely to fade away with the setting sun. Now, what is setting is October. And as of midnight tonight, technically 1 o'clock in the morning because they keep records based on standard time. So 1 o'clock in the morning will be the end of October's data. Most likely, we won't have any more rain to add, so 0.08 will put us squarely in the third spot, making it the third driest October on record. But surely, he says surely it's going to rain somewhere sometime. It looks like by 8 o'clock, it's a creeper. It's slowly getting into Kingston and Oak Ridge by the drive home or drive in tomorrow. They'll drive into work tomorrow. But it doesn't really take hold, it looks like, the valley till after 8, and maybe we get 0.2 of an inch of rain in Oak Ridge. Maybe we're lucky or blessed to get 1/3 of an inch in Maryville, and about 0.2 or near that in Newport in Cock County. By the time we hit Friday night and some drizzle on Saturday, we might have a grand total of about 1/4 inch in some spots. So be grateful for what you get. It's the most rain we've had in more than a month. 60% chance we got in orange. That could become patty, not to mean like patty cake, but like a storm. No, patty that could head perhaps toward Houston. Maybe it heads toward Florida. We don't know yet. And now there's a 10% chance that could be Raphael. As I said this morning, and my premium members heard this last night, I said we've got potential for Patty and Raphael all before the 15th of November. Because that's my earmark. I think by the 15th of November, most, if not all, the tropics will go to sleep, and we'll be done with it for most of the year. Now, it ends officially on November 30th, but I think it will likely end around the 15th. Patty and Raphael are the next two names on the list, but if we were to be so unfortunate to get another name, that would be Sarah, followed by Tony, Valerie, and William. By the way, the big game this weekend, we know, is at 7:45 this Saturday night at Neyland. It's on the SEC network. I have not altered. I'm still in the mid to upper 60s to start. Halftime, 64. Fourth quarter, 62. I do expect a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Drizzle for the tailgaters. Yes, if you're tailgating at noon or 3 in the afternoon, some drizzle may appear, but I think that drizzle will be gone. It won't be much of a rain shower. It'll just be drizzle. For the game itself should be dry. Falling back after the game, we're going to change the clocks back. It is a great reminder to change the batteries in your smoke detectors and check your carbon monoxide alarms. Storm Prediction Center talking about scattered. No. Just isolated severe storms tomorrow on Friday in places like Amarillo, Lubbock, as well as Midland, Texas. And if we head back home, why are we light green? Oh, that means thunder. That's right. General thunderstorms, not severe, but thunderstorms are possible on Friday. I've been talking about rumbles for quite some time. Heading into Saturday, the severe weather threat expands in yellow in Lubbock, Midland, parts of West Texas. Places like Dallas could have an isolated severe storm on Saturday. We've got drizzle in the offering, but not much more than that. Heading into the futurecast, you can see why this front is slowing down. It's stalling. That blue-red line to the parts of Mississippi is just elongating like a piece of saltwater taffy. And it does stretch out. It stretches out 7 o'clock tomorrow morning right into Knoxville. So the morning commute may have some slowdowns just from merely the fact that front is draped overhead. By Friday night, we move it out. 20% chance of rain for the evening. And there's the drizzle that I was talking about on Saturday. That looks like for 12 noon. Do we get any more? Yeah, a couple of sprinkles may develop. Not a big deal. And it comes back, it appears, on Sunday. If I'm not mistaken, there could be a little bit of drizzle activity on Sunday. Not a whole lot, but that's what, 11 a.m.? Yeah, there's maybe a few drops potentially there as well. The bulk of the energy is west and north of St. Louis. So the visibility tomorrow morning may be patchy in the Smokies. I just don't see much in the way of fog. We're going to have more clouds tonight, and it's going to be very mild. Overnight lows should be in the lower 60s as we start your November 1st Friday. That's what tomorrow is, a brand new month and a brand new outlook, as it were. But tonight, we're down to 62, wishing you a happy Halloween. Showers arrive very late, long after trick-or-treaters are done for the night. We're looking for a low of 57 in Oneida, Wartburg, Crossville, 58 for Sevierville, and in Maryville, Alcoa, 61, your overnight low tonight. Friday's high, 71. We can make it. Yes, we can make it into the lower 70s. We will spend most of the day in the 60s, however. It'll be a cooler day. Clouds, hazy sun, showers, and maybe just a few rumbles of thunder. Friday looks like this: 69 in Morristown, Greenville, Newport, and Del Rio. About 71 Sevierville, Tellico Plains at 73. And mid-60s will be more common up in Bell County, southeast Kentucky. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville in East Tennessee. 77 is warmer on Saturday, and we're in the upper 70s to near 80, going right into Election Day. So if you liked it today, you'll love it next week. In fact, Monday, I think, is our next close approach to another record high. Record high is kind of low-hanging fruit. It's an 80 from 2003. And right now, I think we've got a good shot of hitting 79. But if we get a little bit warmer in the days to come, it might boost it back up to near record temperatures. 80, 2003 is certainly within reach on Monday afternoon, but I think we hit 80 on Tuesday, when it is, in fact, Election Day officially. And then a 40% chance more showers and storms coming in on Wednesday. So hopefully that will help you plan accordingly. Don't forget the free Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic, the best traffic reporter in town. Why is that important? Well, you get the weather and you get local traffic all in the same app, my friend. All of the National Weather Service alerts. We've added power outages. We've added the drought monitor. And you get 3 extras from Barron. World-class app. Love it, love it, love it. You also get lightning alerts. I hope you'll download it today. Just search the 2 words Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. Well, my name is David Aldrich. Happy Halloween to you. We'll see you here live tomorrow morning at 6:40, or you can always watch us on delay. Trick or treat.